Hello, can you hear me now?
Hello? Is anyone there?
Good evening. This is Priya from Sunshine Electric Company. How can I assist you today?
Oh, finally! There's a total blackout in my area. The lights, the fridge, everything's dead. It's pitch dark here, and it's starting to get scary.
I completely understand, sir. I'm here to help. Can you tell me your location so we can check the outage reports?
Yes. I'm at 45 Maple Street, near Greenfield Park. You have to fix this quickly. My kids are scared, and the rain isn't helping.
Don't worry, sir. I can see a few reports coming from your area. It looks like a transformer might have tripped. Can I confirm a few details to log your complaint?
You have to send someone. We're running out of time. The water is rising.
Can you tell me if any emergency lights or street lights are still working around your area?
No, it's completely dark. Honestly, it feels like a blackout from a horror movie.
It should be back within the next couple of hours. Our team is working fast. And here's a little tip to distract them. Maybe...
What do you mean the bridge is closed? No, listen to me. You can't stay there. Where are the children?
First, keep flashlights handy. Avoid using candles if possible. It can be risky. Also, unplug sensitive electronics.
Safety tips? Sure, but make it quick.
Happy to help. You're doing great keeping calm. I'll personally follow up if the outage takes longer than expected.
Got it. Flashlights, unplug everything, check. I just hope the kids stop asking if the lights will ever come back.
We try our best. Stay safe and keep the kids entertained. And remember, the lights will come back sooner than you think.
I can turn it into a camping in the living room night. Thanks, Priya. You're a lifesaver.
Anytime. Take care, and stay dry out there.
Thanks again. You made a dark, scary night, a little brighter.
Subscribe to my channel for more safety tips.